Hey guys, I'm Pete. This is my new YouTube channel, Pedaling with Pete. We're gonna take some bike rides. Look at some bikes. Just do bike stuff. These bikes are awesome. Videos of my cycling adventures. Mostly I'm just a dude that likes bikes. Just a regular guy. I am by no means any kind of competitive cyclist. I'm 47 years old and about 270 pounds, so I'm not racing anybody. I just like to ride and enjoy this area that I live in. All right. Little fawn, what are you doing? Move away from the road. Man, that air feels nice today. Beautiful Pennsylvania skyline. These farm roads are the best. Low traffic. In this case, brand new pavement. Good stuff. Homegrown strawberries. I used to pick strawberries here when I was a kid. stop and enjoy the view. I just took the batteries right out of the box and put it in, and off we went. So now we're plugged into a power bank in my handlebar bag. Shadows getting long. Short little test ride. Probably turn out to be about 10 miles. So really have no idea how well the GoPro picks up my voice. All the wind and everything going by, so I guess we will see. I'm just talking at a normal volume. And if that doesn't work, then I guess we will try to talk a little louder from now on. But this is my normal talking voice, so we'll see. Gonna head into the tough part of the ride for a heavy dude like me. Here's where we find a little walkway that leads out of the neighborhood and into the park. Almost hidden. Not because it's really hidden, it's just small compared to everything else here. There you go. Oh, let's take the long way over there. I call my bike the machine that goes ping from the Monty Python sketch at the beginning of Meaning of Life. Here we go again. Ping. Hello. How you doing? All right. Some nice trees in this neighborhood. Giant houses. I don't really care about the houses though. This is where you get the luxury of listening to a fat guy wheeze his way up a steep hill. Lucky you. I like computers beeping because that was the beginning of a Strava segment. I used to enjoy chasing those down occasionally. Not that I could compete with others, but just with myself. But I'm on a steel touring bike now that's heavy. And any records that I set for myself on this climb would have been on my carbon trek. Here's the steepest part. As I run out of gears. I'm not quite done with the climb, but stop and take a drink. Let's finish this off. I made it. Oh, we're not gonna make the weight. Oh well. Thanks for riding along. This has been Pedaling with Pete. Go ahead and give me a like and subscribe and all that crap. That'll help me get started. That'd be great. Alright. Catch you on the next one.